Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video in which we will understand about the RBI cybersecurity compliance and how our platform Controllo can help you automate the same. India's financial sector is becoming more digital, connected and dependent on technology. But with that growth comes greater exposure to cyber attack, data breaches, system failures and third-party risk. That is where RBI cybersecurity framework sets expectations for how banks and other regulatory financial entities should govern technology risk, protect critical systems, monitor threats, and maintain cyber resilience. RBI compliance is therefore not just about passing an audit, it is about ensuring that financial services remain secure, available, and resilient. The RBI cybersecurity guidelines cover much more than a standard security policy. Banks are expected to maintain a board approved cybersecurity policy, assess technology risk, secure networks and databases, manage access, monitor threats, test controls, and respond quickly to cyber incidents. The framework also expects real time monitoring through a security operations center, while newer RBI directions place stronger emphasis on IT governance, disaster recovery, audit trails, and assurance practices. The challenge is that RBI regulatory compliance is spread across multiple circulars, directions, policies, control requirements, and audit expectations. For bank and NBFCs, teams must continuously maintain an RBI cybersecurity checklist, update risk, collect evidence, review their vendors, track remediation, and demonstrate that security controls are actually operating. When these requirements are managed through separate tools, compliance quickly becomes slow, fragmented, and difficult to prove. This is where Controllo brings everything into one connected platform. The RBI cybersecurity framework is available directly within Controllo, allowing users to use pre-mapped requirements, conduct risk management, centralize their policies and evidences, and maintain continuous audit readiness. Teams can manage their risk through simple scorings, can also have a live monitoring of their cloud assets, and their auditors can collaborate with them on the platform itself. And with Secura AI, RBI control reviews become significantly faster. A control validation that may take 25 to 30 minutes done manually per control can be evaluated under a minute using Secura. Secura will evaluate your submitted policies or evidence against your RBI control requirement and identify likely gaps and recommend actions, helping your compliance team reduce manual effort and prepare faster for RBI audits and regulatory reviews. Controllo helps banks NBFCs and other regulatory bodies turn complex RBI directives into a connected and automated compliance program. So, if you want to know more or get a free trial of our platform, do connect with us. Thank you.